welcome to Houston's George Bush Intercontinental Airport. Local time here is approximately 7:33. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, leaving all carry-on items securely stowed until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please use caution when opening the overhead compartments as the contents may have shifted during the flight. There will be a uniformed agent meeting our flight today to assist you with connecting flight information, baggage claim, or any other assistance you may need. On behalf of your entire in-flight crew, it has been our sincere pleasure serving you. We do thank you for choosing Continental and wish you each a very pleasant evening. At this time, the use of cellular telephones and two-way pagers is now permitted.